Welcome. In this lecture, we'll discuss the Symmetry tool. Symmetry is a wonderful tool. It will make you an artist overnight. The first use is if you have an object that is symmetrical, like human being that has two parts. You can use this to save time. You draw one side and the system will draw the other side. So let's start like we're making cloth. So we use the polyline. We draw this, draw this, draw this. So this is one part of our drawing. Let me hold down the shift to make it straight. Okay, so we want this to be symmetrical, we want the other parts. So we go to symmetry. We said create symmetry. It has created the other parts for us. If we use the pick tool, we can pull this to touch the grid line. So this is what we are having. So another way to use symmetry, let's finish this. You have to finish, we delete it, is to draw wallpaper, serious artwork. With symmetry, anything can be turned into fantastic art. Let's try it out. Let's just start by drawing a funny thing that usually will not make sense. Then let's close these objects. If you like, we can color it. We want to turn this into a graphic artwork. We select the object, we say symmetry. Okay, the mirror has merged with this. You can pull out and adjust. You only pull the original, the mirror will always adjust. So this is what we have. So what do we do with this? We can rotate it. We can see the lines of angle. Let's add more mirrors. There are two now. This is what we are having. We want to turn this into a flower or wallpaper like. So we'll finish. This is what we have. This is the skeleton. This is it. Another interesting thing is we can still add more artwork to it and it will mirror it. Let's make this empty to know where our original is. Our original is here. We can use any tool to add something up here. We use this tool to add another thing here. Let's add something like this. Okay, so you see what we've created. Let's still add another object to the center. So anything you add will be mirrored. Let's give it a color. Let's see what we have. So you can use this to create a lot of things, a lot of designs. If you combine this tool with things like artistic tool, you have fantastic things. Let's do that now. I'll go to the new page. I'll want my page in view. I'll zoom in to see my work. I'll start symmetry without any objects. I'll add at least one mirror to see what I'm doing. I can even add all the angles. Yes, it's okay for me. So I have these objects here. So I'll go to draw the first thing I want. I want to use the artistic pen. I want to use brush. Okay, this is the chosen brush. If you like, you call up the artistic text to select the type of brush you want. So we draw the first thing here. This is what we are having. We drop the tool. We go to, since we are determined to use the artistic text, let's call up another one. We go to Windows, go to Dockers, go to Effects, go to Artistic Media, Dockers, Effects. Okay, I'll have shape. We're looking for effects. Then we'll send the artistic media. Okay, let's try a tool like this and see what we will get. I'll click outside to drop this tool. I'll select this pen. I'll draw something here. So you can just start from nowhere, from anything, and get fantastic designs. These designs may be very, very okay for your, okay, because I did not click out. If I don't want the last pen to have effect, I have to stop it by pressing spacebar and clicking out. Let's try this with multiple seeds. Just where we'll have space, just draw something here. Wonderful. So you can create a lot of fantastic looking pens which you can use in wallpaper. So this is what the symmetry is all about. Just like every other tool, we can remove the symmetry, we can break the links between them. You know, it's made up of several objects. We can still edit it, go back and edit the symmetry. So all these tools are available to us. So if we are done, we click outside to drop the tool. If we select this again, it knows it will always bring this for us. So this is fantastic pen we've designed. Okay, so with this, let's have a look in the symmetry. Okay, just to edit, remove and break the links, so we know all this. So with this, we will end this section. Just know that you can start design. This can be real objects. You can use anything to do your wallpaper, to design. Start from nowhere until you start getting interesting thing. You may have a view of how what you will get to look like. Let's try something like this. Okay, we'll make sure we'll create symmetry with it. Let's just give it a little color. So we go to objects, go to symmetry. Just anything can be turned into. We choose the number of okay, so this is what we are getting as a design. Okay, we can now go and make it closed. We leave it in one object. Then we make this the only original you can move. So we make it come together. Then we choose the angle. We've been working in 90 degrees. We can make it in small steps, like 10 degrees or 45 degrees. Let's say 45 degrees. Okay, so the line will be, the mirroring will be in every 45 degrees. So this is the first one, 45 align. So each angle you change will give you different design. So you try out until you get interesting objects. So this is what you will have now out of the object. You mustn't reach the end. Once you get something interesting like it, you've stopped. You can stop. Then remember, you can just put any object here and it will replicate. So if we put something here as part of our design, that's what we are having. So use this to create any type of design. You'll never run out of design. So see you in the next class. Hello, join us in mastering CorelDraw Graphics Suite with our comprehensive course. This lesson is just one of the 80 in-depth tutorials designed to equip you with all the skills you need. Whether you are a beginner or seeking to enhance your proficiency, our course covers everything you need to know about CorelDraw and Corel Photo Paint. Subscribe to our channel to unlock more insightful lessons like this one, or take the next step by enrolling in the full course using the link below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to access all 80 lessons and elevate your design expertise with CorelDraw Graphics Suite. See you in the class. My name is Ejiofor Umanu. I'm one of your instructors in this course.